Welcome to Neha Academy for the questions on math, Karnataka State SLC math questions. Unfortunately, because of COVID, COVID-19, you are not going to schools, and there's no revision in the schools. So I prefer to do some kind of a help through this video, and I chosen some questions on one more questions, the probable questions, model questions. You can say it is on arithmetic, and I took it from various question paper. And this my video is not the first video, and I had many videos also before on expression. And this is my start on first one more questions, as per my one of the students asked me to do this. My contact number is given there, 8904919622. So the first question here on arithmetic progression AP is given that if x 5 comma x comma 13 are in AP, when AP arithmetic progression means there is a common difference. There is always a common difference. There is a common difference. So students, you whenever you get in school, your teacher will rush arithmetic progression of the type 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma. See, this is also arithmetic progression. If you find a difference between the two terms, consecutive terms, like 2 minus 1 is 1, 3 minus 2 is 1, 4 minus 3 is 1, 5 minus 4 is 1. So when you subtract the preceding number by the number which is on the right, say these terms, they are called terms, and this is the first term A1, A2, A3, like that. So the AP, there is always a common, the difference between the two terms, consecutive terms, remains constant. That means if you subtract, let us take this example. Let us take this example, 5 comma x comma 13. They have common difference. So if I subtract x minus 5, should be is equal to 13 minus x. So if I subtract the first term from second term, and second term from third term, you will get they should be equal. So now you bring these like terms on same side. You can see x, when you become minus, when you bring this side, it become plus x, and minus 5 when it goes that side, it becomes a plus 5. So usually we say transpose of the numbers, and actually when you learn, you should be added minus 5 here and plus 5 here, plus 5 here, like that. So anyway, when you are in 10th standard, class 10, it is not those so basics we are learned in the lower classes. So my interest here is to find the value of x here. So x plus x gives 2x plus 18. That gives you 18. 2x plus 18. Sorry, 2x equal to 18. Not plus. It is a 2x minus 2x is equal to 18. And that implies x, and divide 2 by on both side. 2 on both side. What you get? It is you get 2 to cancels out, and when you take cancels out, it becomes x is equal to 9. So this is very simple. So answer is a 9. So you can see when you get the number, it's a 5 comma 9 comma 5 comma 9 comma 13. So the difference is now 4, and difference is 4. So common difference is 4 here. So this is one questions about the arithmetic progression. In arithmetic progression, what you have to remember is there is a common difference between two consecutive terms. If you subtract first term from second term and the second term from first term,